Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about pre-increment and post-increment uh, functions in C. So let's get started. So you guys are pretty I think you guys are pretty familiar with the post-increment function. So I'm going to just type something here so you guys can see. So we're gonna do the following. Int number equals 10, and then we're gonna do is number plus plus. So we should see 11 here, right? By the logic, because number plus plus means that we're gonna add 1 to this number. Okay, so we should say 11, but we would say that's not the case. So I'm gonna compile and execute, so to see the output. So let's just do that, taking a while. So there we go, there's the output. You guys can see we are seeing 10. Okay, but that's not how it goes. So what's happening here? So as I said before, this here is called Pos Increment. Okay, so the thing is that we pass this number to a whatever function we are calling, and then we increment. Okay, so this will not show 11, but if we do printf %d /n and number at the next line, we should see 11. So you guys can see we are now seeing 11. That's because it only increases the number in 1 before we call the other function. Okay, just when we call the function. So right here it's still 10, but when I call this function, it becomes 11, because this will print and then increase 1. Okay, so that's the logic. So if I want to increase the value right away, I should use the pre-increment. So instead of passing the plus plus here, I would pass here. Okay, so if I do this, I should see 11 in both cases. Okay, as you guys can see, 11 in both cases. So that's how you can pre-increment a variable. So this is up to you guys, what you guys want to use. In our for loop, pretty much the pos increment will be used. Okay, but in some other situations, you may want to use the pre-increment. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.